we're on a ferry heading there, and it's actually for free, so you don't have to pay any money for tickets or anything. So, yeah.
So can you explain what we see?
We're just passing by the door now, and there's just a bunch of buildings.
Oh, this is the ground zero.
Huh?
This is the ground zero. You can see it from here.
That hero has a name.
I want to show the Statue of Liberty.
It's on that side.
Okay. Go.
Yeah, so the Statue of Liberty's right there.
Zoom in. So how come the ferry is for free?
Because Ikea bought it and they want customers to come to their place. So if it's for free, then more people will come.